Hello, my name is Andy, and I'm the author of SadConsole, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick demo of kind of what the engine has been up to. I have what I call for other developers the starter project, and this is kind of a demo of various capabilities of the engine, but is by no means the only thing you can do with it. It's running right now, so as you can see, the first console that's on there kind of just demonstrates you being able to move a cursor around and then also type on it and use the return key, erase, do things like that. The next demo shows drawing text with gradients and colors, and then also, if you look at the last 4 lines, editing individual characters with different settings after the text has been written. For example, changing the foreground or the background, or adding a special effect to a specific cell, such as a blink effect. This specific page shows a scaled console with a gradient string that is wrapping around, so whenever text goes off the edge of the console, it wraps around to the next line. This demonstrates some of the shaped classes that are included with the engine, so that you can easily draw circles, lines, ellipses, or boxes, and you can edit the various things, such as does the box fill in, what characters used for the border, things like that. This demonstrates a command prompt style console and allows you to type in characters and have commands that respond. So for example, if I type ver, prints out the version. If I type look, it kind of emulates a text adventure game. CLS has a command to clear the screen. Help, you could list commands, things like that. This one shows a very simple, and I'll have a more extended demo of this, the UI controls, so pop-up windows, draggable, closing windows. I also have a little character window that shows the current characters from the tile set. But like I said, I'll have a bigger demo of the UI capabilities. I think the next one is this demonstrates having an individual character that's sitting on top of a console, and then whenever you use the keyboard to move him around, it prints a trail, kind of like a snake or something like that. So it's just a very simple programming demo to show how to do that. This has been in other videos. It's a console that's just filled with random information, such as character color, mirroring of a character. So the console or the engine supports showing or mirroring characters vertically or horizontally. For example, right here you can see that this is the half symbol upside down. This is a 1/4 symbol that is upside down and mirrored sideways. The next is a demo, and I'll explain it before I show it, of the instruction engine that comes with the game engine. It allows you to string together multiple commands across a console to create special effects or animate areas. And so this was kind of a splash screen type of animation that I created. This loads a picture and uses the colors in that picture to fill the background. And then it used like a gradient with to do that little motion from corner to corner with color. So this demo is the actual editor that I've been creating to help draw screens for games, to create actual paged animations. And so I'll just sort of demo this because it really demonstrates a lot of the UI functionality, such as filling in text boxes, There's a color picker that comes with it. This actual editor is using a different style font too from the previous window. The previous window used your standard IBM font that is taller than it is wide. But this one actually demonstrates a square font because the game that I'm making currently uses a square font, and that's configurable in the actual editor. But this shows how I've created windows that float and different custom controls such as color bars that you can change. I created a color picker that has your standard DOS colors, and then this actually shows all the colors that the .NET framework provides, and they're just sort of templates that you can select. Then you could go ahead and change that color later if you wanted to. So some more controls, list boxes, buttons. These are panels that you can expand or contract. File pickers, such as, so this actually is looking at my file system and showing folders and then files that you can choose from. Checkboxes, and let's see, we got the scroll bar control. So I think that's pretty much it. But this, so that's it for the demo. So thanks for watching.